With summer season approaching, I'm sure all of us must be having a craving for ice cream treats. Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 ice cream flavors with fresh mango, coconut and chocolate in our kitchen. I hope you will like the video and subscribe as well. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Before we start making the ice creams, let us know these few things. For making the condensed milk, all you have to do is to boil the milk until it reduces its volume to 1/3 the quantity taken. That's it. Keep boiling for some more time. For making the ice cream base, I am taking 1 packet of Amul fresh cream, which I had kept in the freezer overnight. I have just taken it out half an hour before. Let's beat the fresh cream for like 15 minutes, and when it is done, I'll be keeping it in the fridge with the condensed milk that I had made earlier. Let's make mango ice cream now. I am taking 2 fully ripe mangoes here. They are finely chopped and ready to grind now. Let's keep this mango paste aside for a while. I am boiling 1 cup of milk in a container now. Before it gets too hot, I am taking out a little amount of milk to make custard powder, 1 tablespoon custard powder slurry, and keep it aside. Now 1/3 cup sugar is added, and the slurry of custard powder is also added, and keep mixing. I think the consistency is perfect now. Time to stop. The fresh cream which I had whipped earlier will be using as ice cream base here. Half cup homemade condensed milk is added, followed by now already called custard powder milk mixture, and the mango paste. All the ingredients are beat together. The ice cream mixture is ready now, and I will be transferring it to disposable glasses. Since I don't have an ice cream mold in my kitchen right at the moment, here I am making ice cream popsicles. I'm telling you, children will love this, and I'm loving it too. Rest of the ice cream mix, I am transferring it to another container with airtight lid. I will be keeping these in freezer for 8 to 12 hours. Now, time to see how our mango ice cream turns out to be. Well, it looks like an ice cream. Yeah. Here my advice will be, just have your ice cream as soon as possible after you scoop your syrup out, because homemade ice cream without stabilizers or any additives tend to melt very fast. For making chocolate ice cream, I am heating 1 cup of milk with 1/3 cup of sugar. I am adding 1/4 cup milk powder as well. Then keep mixing. After a few minutes into boiling, I am adding half cup of cocoa powder, let's mix it thoroughly so that any kind of lump is not seen here and there. The consistency of the mixture should be thick. Now the color is also becoming dark brown. Look at it. Time to stop now. I am taking the same amount of whipped fresh cream here. This time I am adding half a cup of ready-made condensed milk which we get in market for a change. Otherwise, you can always use our homemade condensed milk. In this mixture, I am pouring now already cold cocoa powder mix and beating it together. I am adding some choco chips as well. Instead of choco chips, you can add crushed Oreo pieces or shredded chocolate pieces also. Time to transfer this mixture in an airtight container and keep it in the freezer for 8 to 12 hours. Let's shake it after 12 hours. The texture of ice cream is soft and subtle. It is as tasty and as good as the one we get in market. So please try it at your home and let me know if you get the perfect taste in the comment section. For making coconut ice cream, I am taking chopped coconut and I am taking the water which I got inside of this coconut as well. For further smooth grinding, half a cup of homemade condensed milk is added and grind it. You can see its rough texture transforming into a smooth velvety paste now. Let's keep it aside. As usual, our next step will be heating 1 cup of milk. Before it boils, let's take out a little amount of milk in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon corn flour to make a slurry. Let's keep it aside. Then we will be adding 1/3 cup of sugar along with corn flour slurry. Mix it nice and proper until you get a thick consistency. Now time to stop. In another bowl, I am whipping 1 packet of fresh cream like before and adding now already cold corn flour milk mixture. Followed by coconut paste. Let's beat all the ingredients together now. Time to transfer this ice cream mix into a container. Let's add some roasted dry fruits on top of the ice cream mix. This will make the taste of your coconut ice cream even better, as both coconut and milk go really well with dry fruits. This time my container need to be sealed properly with plastic wrap as the lid is not an airtight one. Let's fill the disposable cups as well. Like before, we will be keeping it in the freezer for 8 to 12 hours. After 12 hours of wait, here is our coconut ice cream. Wow, this looks amazing. The smooth velvety texture of this ice cream seems almost perfect. Taste-wise also, this is my personal favorite. So friends, are you making these ice creams during the summer? I think you should. Thanks for being here with me. Bye bye.